In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Prezi. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh your presentation's look with clean, readable typography that suits your message. Start by opening your presentation in the Prezi editor. You want to be inside the editing workspace, where you can see your canvas, frames, and all the elements you can adjust. Once you're there, click on the text box you want to change. You'll see a bounding box appear around the text, and a property toolbar will pop up nearby. This toolbar is your control center for formatting. On that toolbar, look for the Font drop-down. Click it, and you'll see a list of available fonts you can apply right away. As soon as you select one, the change will apply to the text box you selected. This is a great moment to check for readability. If your presentation uses a lot of zooming and movement, choose a font with clear, solid letter forms so your audience can follow along without strain. If you don't see the font you're after, no problem. At the bottom of that drop-down, click More Fonts. This opens a larger library powered by Google Fonts, giving you a wide range of styles to explore, from simple sans serifs to elegant serifs and more expressive display options. Use search or browse by category to find something that matches your tone, professional, playful, or somewhere in between. When you find a font you like, add it to your list. Prezi will save it to your personal font lineup, so it's easy to use across your project. After adding the fonts you want, close that panel and return to the font drop-down in the Property toolbar. You'll now see your updated list, including the fonts you just added. Choose your new font, and your selected text switches immediately. Take a moment to scan your slide or frame. If you're aiming for a consistent style, apply the same font to other text boxes in your presentation so everything feels cohesive. A few tips as you refine your look. Prioritize legibility over flair, especially for body text. Use decorative fonts sparingly for headings, and keep contrast in mind so your text stands out against the background. Prezi typically saves changes automatically, but it's always smart to give your presentation a quick preview to ensure everything looks polished during transitions and zooms. That's it. Open your Prezi in the editor, select your text, pick a font, explore more fonts for extra options, add from Google Fonts, and then choose from your updated list to finish the look.